Well, imagine living in constant pain, and you know what? Nothing seems to bring relief. Fibromyalgia strikes more than 12 million Americans, and women are 10 times more likely to get this disease than men. The symptoms can be so painful, it can force women into disability and severely affects the quality of their life. So far, Western medicine hasn't found a cure. Well, Dr. Yang, the director of the On Clinic for Medical Acupuncture, is here to explain why a 3,000-year-old Chinese remedy could unlock the mystery behind the cure. Good to see you, Dr.
Nice to see you. Nice to see you.
Well, first of all, fibromyalgia, unless you have experienced it and know what it really is,
right.
The rest of us, it's kind of a
vague.
A
lot of doctors tell you it's all in your head.
Right.
Yeah.
First of all, explain to us what is it and what are some of the symptoms?
And the result is it hurts all over. We don't know what caused that.
Can't pinpoint it.
Yeah, you're right. And severe fatigue. That's one of the things.
Okay.
And then just touch it. And it's so sensitive, it hurts you. That's how we make a diagnosis.
And these are some of the other symptoms that we're seeing up there. And those symptoms that we're looking at now, do those come later, further on as the disease progresses?
Headache, tummy ache, joint pains, and then lead into the anxiety, depression, insomnia. If you look at the Google, there's 100 symptoms just come right off the first page.
Okay, so how could it possibly even be diagnosed?
There is no blood test. There's no imaging test, so it's a clinical diagnosis. Average diagnosis is it takes about 5 to 10 years. Most of people suffer that much before you get that diagnosis.
Oh, and that could, I mean, and your life is just,
oh my goodness, quality of life is terrible.
Ruined. Yeah. Okay, so when someone comes to see you, they know they have fibromyalgia.
That's correct. They have a diagnosis by the rheumatologist and all that.
Okay, how does acupuncture help?
Well, one of the things happening in the fibromyalgia is just the hypersensitive, super sensitive nerve endings of all your bodies. The acupuncture calm down this overactive hypersensitive nerve ending. That's, we think, recent research say is caused by one of the autoimmune disorder.
And the fatigue, it can help with fatigue as well?
First thing they noticed is that even before pain gets better, doctor, I get more energy. That's after first treatment. Yes.
Wow, that is amazing. And you know what? You brought a patient with you this morning. I already was chatting with her, and she told me, not even next to you, that you saved her life. And we're going to hear her story in just a few moments. You can call the On Clinic now and mention that you saw this segment on Sonora Living Live, and you'll receive your initial consultation for free. The doctor is on 24/7 answering your questions personally at 480-515-2000 or at theonclinic.org.